Ladies and gentlemen, traders and dreamers, welcome to this moment. This is not just another speech, this is your wake-up call. Today, we're diving into one of the most underrated, yet transformative, tools in the arsenal of any successful trader. It's not fancy software, it's not the latest indicator, and it's definitely not a get-rich-quick strategy. It's patience. Yes, patience. Waiting for the right setup is the cornerstone of greatness in trading and in life. So, let me ask you this, are you ready to redefine how you approach the game? Are you ready to break free from the chains of impulsivity and step into the mindset of a true professional? The battlefield of trading. Imagine this, the markets are your battlefield. Every day, you log in, and the charts are alive, moving, tempting you to jump in. The candles flash like neon signs saying, take the trade now. Your heart races. You think, what if I miss out? But let me stop you right there. Trading is not a sprint. It's not about how many trades you take. It's about the quality of those trades. It's about precision. It's about waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Here's the truth, the market doesn't reward impatience. The market doesn't care about your emotions or your need for instant gratification. It only rewards discipline, focus, and patience. So, stop thinking like an amateur and start thinking like a sniper. A sniper doesn't fire at every moving target. They wait. They breathe. They focus. And when the time is right, they take the shot, and it's deadly accurate. Why patience is power? Let's break it down. Why is patience so powerful? First, patience saves you from unnecessary losses. Most traders blow their accounts not because the markets are against them, but because they are against themselves. Impulsive trades, revenge trades, chasing the market, these are the killers of accounts. Patience acts as your shield. It keeps you grounded, protecting you from your own worst instincts. Second, patience allows you to see the bigger picture. When you're not constantly chasing trades, you have the clarity to analyze the market objectively. You start to notice patterns, trends, and setups that others miss because they are too busy chasing noise. Finally, patience builds confidence. There's nothing more empowering than waiting for the right setup, executing your plan flawlessly, and watching it play out exactly as you envisioned. That's not luck, that's mastery. The cost of impatience. Let's flip the coin for a moment and talk about impatience. Impatience is a thief. It steals your time, your energy, and your money. Think about the last time you jumped into a trade without a solid plan. How did that work out? Did you feel in control, or did you feel like you were gambling? Impatience creates chaos. It turns the market into a casino, and you're the gambler throwing chips blindly, hoping for a miracle. But trading is not about hope. Trading is about strategy. It's about stacking the odds in your favor. And you can't do that if you're rushing into trades without waiting for the right conditions. How to cultivate patience. So, how do you develop patience? How do you become the kind of trader who waits for the right setup, no matter how long it takes? 1. Have a clear plan. Your trading plan is your blueprint. It's your guide through the chaos of the markets. Know exactly what you're looking for in a setup. Define your entry and exit criteria. When you have a clear plan, patience becomes easier because you know what you're waiting for. 2. Embrace the wait. Waiting is not wasted time. It's preparation. Use the time between trades to analyze the market, refine your strategy, and sharpen your skills. Remember, every moment you spend waiting is a moment you're becoming better. 3. Manage your emotions. Emotions are the enemy of patience. Fear, greed, and FOMO, fear of missing out, will try to pull you into trades that don't align with your plan. Learn to recognize these emotions and control them. Meditation, journaling, or even taking a walk can help you stay grounded. 4. Trust the process. Patience is a long-term game. You won't see the results overnight, but if you stick to your plan and wait for the right setups, success is inevitable. Trust the process, and don't let short-term setbacks shake your faith. The rewards of patience. Now, let's talk about what's waiting for you on the other side of patience. Imagine this, you've waited for the perfect setup. The market aligns with your strategy, and you pull the trigger. The trade moves in your favor, hitting your target exactly as planned. How does that feel? That's not just a win, that's the result of discipline, focus, and mastery. Patience doesn't just make you a better trader, it makes you a stronger person. It teaches you to delay gratification, to stay focused under pressure, and to trust yourself. These are skills that will serve you not just in trading, but in every area of your life. The fearless mindset. At Team Fearless, we believe in the power of mindset. Trading is not just about strategies and setups, it's about who you are. Are you the kind of person who chases instant gratification, or are you the kind of person who is willing to wait, to prepare, and to strike only when the odds are in your favor? The fearless trader is not afraid of waiting. The fearless trader is not afraid of missing out. The fearless trader knows that the market is full of opportunities, and there is always another trade around the corner. The fearless trader is calm, focused, and unshakable. Final thoughts. Let me leave you with this: the market is a mirror. It reflects your discipline, your focus, and your patience. If you approach it with chaos, it will give you chaos. But if you approach it with patience and precision, it will reward you beyond your imagination. So, the next time you sit down at your trading desk, take a deep breath. Remind yourself that you don't have to take every trade. You don't have to prove anything to anyone. All you have to do is wait for the right setup, execute your plan, and let the market do the rest. You've got this. Stay patient. Stay fearless. And remember, success is not a matter of luck, it's a matter of patience. Now go out there and trade like a champion.